Hi all, good afternoon to everyone. We'll be starting in 2 to 3 minutes the session. So just ping me in a message if I am audible here. Ping me in the chat if I am audible here. Ping me in the chat. Hello guys. Hello.
Yeah, okay, sir.
So we have 41 participants now.
Yeah, we will wait another 5 minutes.
Yes, sir. We'll be waiting another 5 minutes to start the session. So guys, please just ping me yes if I am audible here. Okay, yeah, audible. So we'll start the session. Yeah, Varun Prasad, am I not audible? Yes, yes. So we'll start the session within 2 minutes. We'll wait for the another 2 to 3 minutes to join the other participants. Okay, and then we'll start the sessions at 12:05. Okay, Varun Prasad, that is great. So voice is clear. That means it's a lot you, and we'll have a engaging sessions today. So we'll discuss here the major data analytics and insight, and then we'll discuss about the job opportunities and what is the process of it, and what are the skills required for data analytics, and what are the opportunity available in the market for data analytics. So session will be very engaging. Please be at till end, and we'll enjoy the sessions.
It will start, sir.
Yes, Pinky sir, I will wait for 1 minute. Please, please invite all your friends to join the sessions. So we'll wait another 1 minute, just 1 minute, and then we'll start the sessions. So please invite all your friends to join the sessions. Okay, sir. So we can start.
Okay, sir. Good afternoon, participants. I am Rangraj, an associate professor in the Department of MCA. I am very happy and thankful to be a part of organizing this webinar. Education is the most wonderful weapon which you can use change the world. It's a great pleasure to invite Mr. Amarendra Kumar, system engineer at TCS and co-founder of TechnoJobs New Delhi. He is an eminent personality in data science, having good knowledge to handle data technology. Sir, we thank you for accepting this webinar in the pandemic period. Also, my heartfelt thanks to our head of the Department of MCA, Mr. M. Sunil Kumar Garu, for arranging this webinar. My sincere thanks to the management and the principal, Dr. M. Mohan Babu Garu, for encouraging us to conduct this webinar. Now, I hand over this session to the great and daring personality, Mr. Amrinder.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for such a great word. So, we'll start the sessions, guys. So, please inform your friends and please invite your friends to join the sessions. That session will be very engaging and will be very interesting. So, I'll start the sessions. Yeah, so as we know that we have today data analytics and insight. So first of all, what is data analytics, and after data analytics, what is the insight you are getting from the data? Right. So we'll be discussing everything here. So what are data analytics, why data analytics, and what are the business benefits of data analytics, and then what is the job opportunity in data analytics and data science in the market, what is the scenario of this job role in the market, what will be the salary in the data science, right, and what are the skills required for the data science. So these all things will be discussed step by step in these sessions. So this session will be very engaging. Please invite your friends to join the session, right? So yeah, I'm just going for the next slide. So this is the outline of the sessions totally. So initially we'll discuss introduction. In introduction, what are data analytics and how it helpful for in near futures, and what are the types of data analytics, data analytics, and then analytics business benefits, and then we have process of data analytics, how we do actually data analytics, then data analytics tools, different tools available in the data analytics, right, and then the job opportunity in the data analytics and the skills required for the data analytics. So we'll talk about every points here in detail. Yeah. So first of all, introduction. So in introduction, in image itself, you are very clear that analytics is the scientific process of deriving insights from the data in order to make decision, right? So analytics is nothing but is a process of deriving insight. Insight is nothing but information. We are getting information from the data available in the market. Like suppose, take an example of any e-commerce platform. E-commerce platform in the sense Amazon or Flipkart. So once you know Amazon, they are generating millions of data, you know, millions of data in a single minute or single second. There are millions of data worldwide. So that data is not a useful. They have to derive insight from that. Insight is nothing but the information. The information which you get from the data, that information will be valuable to take decision what to do. All right. So in the pictorial form, it is written there. See, the data is nothing but it's all combination of data, zigzag. So we cannot get anything from the raw data. And then once we analyze with the different tools like Python, R, or some other tools we have. So with the help of that tools, we are analyzing it, and then after analyzing, we are getting information out of it. That is insight, and then we decide what to do. Once you get the information from the data, then we have to take action upon it. Right. So that is the a simple process and introduction of data analytics. So once we get the information, then according to the information we can get the actions. So such information, like information last day we have sales like $50 million sales we had yesterday, but today we got only $40 million sales. So that means from compared to yesterday, today's sales has been reduced. So you need to take action upon it. You need to take marketing campaign. You need to start marketing campaign to increase the sales. again. So that is comes under action. So in the pictorial form you can see that bar graph is there, and then we have pie charts, and it shows that so how the data is increasing day by day, increasing or decreasing in nature. So it shows, that is called visualization of data, right? So comes under types of data analytics. So we have basically three types of data analytics: descriptive analytics, prescriptive analytics, and we have descriptives, prescriptives, and we have predictive analytics. So we have three types of data analytics basically. So first of all, it is descriptive analytics. Descriptive analytics is nothing but what has happened. What has happened in the sense, this descriptive analytics gives you the total insight what has happened. So it will give you the present scenario of the business, present and past scenario of the business. That means what has happened yesterday and what is going on in the business. Suppose in the last 7 days we had a sales of $1,000 million, and then today we have around $100 million. So it will give you this information, like how many users have came to your site to buy the product. So from past and present, so it will give you the brief introduction and brief scenario and brief situation of the business in the last 7 days or past, and the present scenario. Present and past scenario has been discussed in the descriptive analytics. So according to the present and past data, we can think upon it, right? So once we get the descriptive analytics information of descriptive analytics, then we can go for predictive, right? In predictive we can predict the futures. So depending upon the data which we already generated from the past and present, so depending upon that data we can predict that. So in the predictive analytics we can predict the futures, like what will happen tomorrow. So according to 7 days, we are giving, analyzing the pattern. Like peoples are coming, going, coming and going. So this much people are interested in some other particular project or some other particular our items. All right. So according to that, the machine learning techniques will analyze that, and then it will predict the futures. So in predictive analytics, we can say that what will happen in futures. So futures outcome prediction with the help of past and present data. So we already have seen that past and present data has been in the descriptive analytics. So according to that, we can futures outcomes prediction with the help of past and present data. So here in predictive analytics, we can predict so what will happen in the coming 7 days, right? And in case of prescriptive analytics, what should we do? In case of prescriptive analytics, what should we do? Right? Yes. So guys, am I audible clearly? Right? Guys, am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Any yes from participants? Am I audible? Okay, okay, okay. So guys, so I'm not seeing the comment section right now because I'm on the PPT. So we'll have a question answer session in detail. So at the last we'll have a question answer sessions. So guys, just just try to learn the things right now. And at the end we have a question answer session. So in the question answer session we can ask the any type of question you may have, right? So yes, kindly do full screen because I'm doing full screen right now. So just you don't ask any questions right now. Please focus on the learning and listen the things carefully. Okay, and then we'll start the question answer session at the end. Okay. So we are talking about prescriptive analytics. So in prescriptive analytics, what should we do? So in prescriptive analytics, provides an intelligent recommendation for optimal next step for almost any application or business process to drive desired outcomes or accelerate results. So suppose, just I am giving you an example of prescriptive analytics. So in the predictive and descriptive analytics, we have seen that in descriptive, like past and present business scenario, we got it. Now, depending upon the past and present scenario, we got that we had a loss of $50 million. We had a loss in the company. So now we are planning to, uh, to increase the sales, and we need to gain it. We need to compensate that loss. So in predictive analytics, we can predict only. We can predict that, yeah, in the future it may increase or decrease sale, right? In prescriptive analytics, what we do is we can give an optimal solution to know we should not decrease our sale, we should increase our sale, right? So we should increase our sales. We need to think upon optimal solutions to increase our sales, because in predictive analytics we can only predict that whether our prediction or our sales may increase or may decrease. So where we have two options, it may increase or it may decrease. But in prescriptive analytics, we'll have to think upon a solution that gives you optimal solutions to enhance your sales. So in prescriptive analytics, we should do for a better purpose of our business here. So in predictive, we'll only get the information, like can predict whether the sales will increase or decrease. But in prescriptive, we'll always think with the different solution and different method. We'll try to think to increase the sales to compensate our loss in the last 7 days, right? So these are the three types of data analytics we have. I hope you guys are very clear to this. Like three types: descriptive, and then predictive, and then we have prescriptive analytics. So in descriptive, we came to know that present and past scenario of the business, right? And then in predictive, we can predict the future outcomes, what will happen. And then in prescriptive, we can think upon a solution that can help to the business, right? So this will be the three types of data analytics. Then why data analytics? What is urgent necessary for data analytics? Why data analytics actually? So we have here 4 points, so you can understand it from here. So data analytics is used to measure the business critical key performance indicator. As old rule is always valid. If you can't measure it, you can't improve it. Obviously, if you can't measure your users value, if you can't measure your sales, you cannot improve it, right? If you can't measure, if you can't get a statistics of your data, if you can't, you have a store of your data in your business. Suppose take an example of any online shop, or just take a shop which is in the market. They are not online. A small shop. So they are also maintaining the data day by day sales, day by day. What are the items sold? So day by day they are maintaining a sheet. Why they are maintaining? They are measuring the data, so that they can compare day by day. Oh, today they have gained the sales. Yesterday it was very less, today gain, yesterday again, tomorrow it was reduced. So they will come to know that the sales, what is going on inside their business. Yes, so obviously, if you can't measure it, you can't improve it. So once you measure the value of users, measure the value of sales, then according to that, you can improve it. Obviously, right? So it is very clear to that. It is used to measure the business critical key performance indicator. Right. Again, business are focused on measuring sales funnel, user profiles, demographic, user retention, etc. So if you take about online shop or online business, so online business, if you have any simple website or if you have an online store like Flipkart, so they are focused on measuring sales funnel, user profiles. User profiles is nothing but which type of users are more engaging with the sales, like what are their age, what are their demographics, like what are their locations. Suppose Delhi people are more interested to buy the product online, and the village, the people who are staying in village, they are not willing to buy the product online. So they will decide from that demographic, from their measuring cells. Oh, that particular area is, people are not getting interested in the online business, so that particular area will be the target for the online company. So they will target that particular areas, and then from there they will start marketing campaign or other campaign to start gaining interest of their customer from that side. Yes, the third point is business can track and measure their online and offline marketing campaigns. Yes, marketing campaign is nothing but an advertisement. So suppose you are doing an advertisement. So if you have seen that Amazon advertisement everywhere, suppose you are going for an product to search on Amazon, and you did not buy it and you came out of it, and when you search even on Facebook, even when you see on your mail, even when you visit any website, you'll see the Amazon ads in front of you. How this is happening? So you have given an interest in Amazon product, and they are they are using your interest, and they are showing your interest based ads to your, that is nothing but a online marketing campaign. So according to that, they will try to retarget you again, so you will be back to that Amazon and you'll buy the product again. That marketing advertisement will be tracked by the business analytics or data analytics, right? So how many percentage of users are again clicking on the advertisement and they are going to the site? So that all will be tracked with the help of data analytics tools and the data analytics and insight. So the fourth point is analytics provide a critical data in order to help business understand, analyze, and improve their business. Yes, it is also very clear that analytics provide a critical data in order to help business to understand it, what is current situation is going on in your business. So you will be able to understand your business, you will be able to analyze it, because you'll have last 1 month data, last 1 year data you'll have with you, last 7 days data will be there, last 3 days data. So we'll be analyzing it. Oh, last month we have a good sales, and the but I mean this month we are going down. So we'll able to analyze your business and improve their business. According to the analysis, you can improve their business, right? So these 4 points makes why data analytics is required for any business, right? So it is very clear. I hope it's clear to you all. So next, you comes under these points. So what is cost reduction? So data analytics also helps in cost reduction, better marketing and product analysis, organization analysis, faster better decision making. Yes, why faster better decision making and cost reduction? I am saying that, see, the data analytics is all about tools and machine learning. So the tools will do for you. You don't need to work hard for it. So that, according to that, the cost will be very reduced for your business, because one tools will handle all the data analytics and insight parts from your business. But if you don't use that tools, and if you do manually all those things, the cost will be very high, because every person you have to pay for it. And then there will be again, in olden days, there will be Excel, for every business. So with the help of that Excel, there will be certain teams for Excel handling, there will be certain teams for decision making. There will be certain teams for like preparing the chart and graph. So there are certain teams divided for that. So in order there will be high cost for all the teams. But nowadays, just yeah, I mean, just bring your data from the database, directly fill in the tools, and the tools will everything they will do for you. The tools will do for you. So that cost reduction came with the help of data analytics. Better marketing and product analysis, as already discussed, product will be analyzed. So suppose in the product sales, like there will be on mobiles or electronics device or cooking items or kitchen items, so we can decide which items are in the trending of sales. So we can decide items by items. We can analyze product to make a proper decision. So that is also possible in the data analytics. Again, we can analyze the organization analysis also. So suppose in your business we have 3 to 4 shop, or 3 to 4 business included. So according to that we'll have all the information business wise. So we can see the analysis of all the business report and analyze according to that. Faster, better decision making, yes, it is very faster because machine will do for that. Machine learning and artificial intelligence used to give you a better and faster decision making than the manual decision making. So in olden days we have a manual decision, we have to check each and every charts and each and every data and each and every user to make a decision. But here machine will do in a few seconds, right? So these are the benefits of data analytics, right? Next, next we have 4 to 6 common business benefits. What are the business benefits of data analytics? So it helps in ROI evaluation. ROI evaluation is nothing but return on investment. So how do you evaluate your return on investment? So you have invested, suppose 10 lakh, and after 1 year, how much did you return from your business? So that is nothing but it gives you an internal profit. So how much return on investment? So see, the graph says that sales is increasing day by day. Once sales will increasing day by day, you'll obviously get the return of good return of investment, right? We'll get definitely. So it helps to evaluate ROI. Obviously, once you get profit, then only we can evaluate the ROI, right? Once we get the sales increasing day by day, then only we can evaluate the ROI. Now, one more thing. So whether why, how do you know that sales is increasing or decreasing? With the help of data analytics. Once you know that sales is increasing or decreasing, then only you can able to find out the ROI. So sales is increasing or decreasing, with the help of data analytics tools we can get the information, and then according to that information we can evaluate the ROI. Then it helps to track the goals. So data analytics, it helps the business to track the goals. So suppose best example. So suppose you are for the business purpose you are sending an advertisement notice on the mail. Okay, so notification sent to the user. Here I am taking an example to update the apps. So notification send the users to update the apps, right? So how many users have received the notification and click to it? So you'll able to track that. And then how many users have successfully updated the app on the user devices? You'll also be track that. So our goal is to updated mobile apps should be there in the user devices. Our goal is that. So we are giving a notifications to them to update the mobile devices. So we have notifications sent to all the participants or all the people who have our applications. But only 20% people or only 80% people have received it, and 70% people have clicked on it, and only 60% have people have updated the mobile app in their devices. So you can know that, oh, that 60% people have already I mean updated, so we have to target only 40%. So in olden days or in other old business, we don't have that, so we used to send all the for 100% again to see that. But nowadays, oh, we have seen that this particular user have already updated the devices, so 60% you skip that, only 40% we have to send it again. So according to that, we minimizing the cost, minimizing the uh, efforts and all. So it helps in tracking the goals, right? It is very clear. Now it is customer focused marketing. So what is customer focused marketing? So there are, see, I already told you, like customer focus, you can take the example from the last example itself, like customer focused marketing. Suppose I have taken an example of notifications. So like 60% users have already updated the mobile app, but only 40% left. So we'll target to that 40% user only. So that is nothing but the customer focused marketing. So we can able to focus on that particular certain group of people, or group of people which comes under certain demographics, or even a single people. You can target a single people also, because in the data analytics tools you can get the data. You can get the data in the database from user wise or user ID or device ID. By the device ID, user ID, you can get the data. So you can target the particular device, you can target the particular users. So in that cases, you will be very efficient to retarget the customer, that this particular customer has to be target, right? So this comes under customer focused marketing, and it helps in strategizing and optimizing marketing campaign. Yes, obviously. So if your marketing campaign or business advertisement it doesn't work very well, so in that case you can optimize. So suppose we have a marketing campaign or advertisement we have sent, but you are not getting better result out of that marketing campaign, then you can according to the analytics and analytics report, we can again optimize it, optimize it, and then again you can advertise it, so that what you will get is you will be saving your cost. Just I'll give you a digital advertisement example here. So in olden days, even nowadays also, if you are advertising your business on TV or other news channel on television, so where what you are doing is, whether your customer are visiting your website or buying our product, you don't know, right? But you are paying for the month or for the year. But in digital advertisement, what we are doing is, once the people will click on your advertisement and they will visit your website, then only you will be charged. But here, if your advertisement is showing on any website or anywhere, but you are not clicking upon it, you will not be charged. Advertiser will not be charged. So you are, how much cost saving in the case of business. You can see out of it how much cost are showing. So for showing the advertisement, there is no charge for any advertiser in digital advertisement ecosystem. Once any people click on the advertisement, they are visiting your site, then only that will be chargeable. So you are getting a true customer with the minimal charge, right? So what a efficient digital technology is. So you can think upon it, and that all your marketing campaign will be tracked with the help of data analytics and data analytics tools. Comes under data analytics business benefits. We have two more points. So measuring exact data helps in gaining insight. Yes. So here is measuring exact data. How you can measure the exact data in the sense, like in the olden days, there will be some fault data also, or raw data also, but here you can get the exact data by pre-processing and processing and analyzing it. After getting insight, you are getting the exact data out of your information which we got, and here it helps in gaining insight. So here is the pictorial example here. So how you gain the insight out of it. So here is the data. So data is nothing but like you have walked 7 for 2 steps. The information you got from it is like information this week. So today you walked 7,442 steps. Yesterday you have walked 7,915, and day before yesterday you have 7,7. So according to all 3 days, today we have very less. So you got insight. What you got insight is you have worked very less today. So you need to take action. So according to the information, see how the steps are done. First of all, you got the raw data. So raw data you got is 7,442 steps. So with that steps, you cannot take any decision out of it. Now you got the information. The information is nothing but last 7 days or last 3 days data you got. That is information. Now insight you can get from the information that, oh, from last 3 days compared to last 3 days, today I was very less. Now what you have to do action is, okay, start working again. So that is comes under action. So this helps you to gain insight. So that is comes under insight and action, right? Hope it is very clear to you. Next, we have process, how the data analytics process happens. So first of all, we have to understand the business, right? First of all, we have to understand the business, understand the people, understand their activities, what they are doing, and how they are going, and where they are coming. So first of all, understand the business. Gathering problem informations. What are the problem facing users problems? Then defining the goal to solve the problems. Then defining hypothesis, defining analysis methodology, and then measuring the business value. So we have to understand the business first, and then we have to understand the data. Once you understand the business, then according to that we will get the data, and then we have to understand the data, define the variables to support hypothesis, and cleaning, transferring the data I create. And then we have additional data if needed. We build an analytical data mart, and then once you understand the data, you have to data mining and data modeling. So you need to build a data model, right? Again, we have a, after once you get the data model, so we'll have to create a data interpretation, describe the importance of each variable. Whatever the data model you have created, now you have to describe the importance of each model. Visualize overall model by creating decision tree, for example, defining business action based on the model result. So again, you have all the visualize. You have to, once you create the data model, you have to visualize all the data model with the help of decision tree or other decision factor, right? And then we go for data operationalization, right? So define the model scoring period, integrate model region with the execution system, CRM system, create operational process that timely, consistent and efficient. So then we have model monitoring. So model monitoring in the nothing but, after these all 5 steps, if you go back, so these see business understanding, data mining and modeling, and then model interpretation, and then we have model operationalization, and then we have model monitoring. So model monitoring is nothing but visualization of your data here with the real world, with the people, with the higher management of your business. We have to show the data. So these are the visualization with the help of bar graph, pie chart, and other visualization charts. You have to show. So these 5 steps, these 5 steps comes in the embedded in the all data analytics tools. Like we have many data analytics tools like Tableau, Power BI, Microsoft Power BI, and even in advanced excels also we can get the data analytics, but excel is very low as compared to the technology. But we have power bi, clicksense is also emerging technology in data technology. So we'll show you other technology or other tools for data analysis. These 5 steps, done by the tools itself. And the final, you have to, create a data, monitoring, model monitoring in a tools to create a different charts. So analytics and modeling in an is an interactive, iterative process. Data model will become an obsolete and need to evolve to accommodate change in behavior. Yes, obviously we have discussed all these things. And then these are the different analytics tools. But I'll suggest you, like, it is not only that we have different, thousands of tools available in the markets. We have mentioned here only few tools here. So first of all is Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel also used, that technology, so analyze the data. Even you can design graph and charts also in the Microsoft Excel. Then you have SQL also needed. So every data analytics engineer, they must know SQL. Without SQL, there is no. So anything, suppose any query you have to write to fetch the data from the database, you need to know about the SQL. SQL is very important for data analytics, right? Then we have rapid manner, right? And then we have NIME, then we have Tableau, ClickView, and ClickSense. Already discussed. It is similar to Tableau, ClickView, designed to enable data analysts to develop a dashboard or just a simple visualization on the top of the data. Free version is available. So, guys, I suggest you, if you all are freshers, you can go to the Tableau or ClickView and try to learn this technology. Once you learn Tableau or Power BI, ClickView, or ClickSense, they are giving a free 1 month trial or free 14 days or free 1 month trial. So you can download the software and there will be multiple tutorials to learn. So learn from their website. It is free, everything. And you can mention this, like, Tableau, ClickSense, Power BI. And if you mention this, you'll get, that will be very impact on your resume once you apply for any job. So try to mention and first try to learn this Tableau, ClickView, and ClickSense, or Power BI, or learn from Microsoft Excel, learn SQL. So you go to the website of Tableau, ClickSense, or Power BI and learn from there. They are providing free, free version for 1 month. So in 1 month you can learn a lot. And there are many tutorials on YouTube for learning ClickView, ClickSense, Tableau, Power BI, and even they are giving multiple of data, raw data, that from there you can generate your own dashboard. Then you comes upon the opportunities in data analytics. Yeah. What are the various opportunities? So guys, now it's a trending job in data analytics, trending job in every industry, and every people have a dream to get into the data analytics project. Yeah, if I talk about the job trends, see, on Indeed, the job trends, how the job trends that increases from 2010, 2014, and now it has been increased, a lot. How they have increased suddenly. So before 10, there was no any opportunity in data science, but nowadays it is increasing in nature. So what are the different job roles for data analytics is, portfolio analyst, then we have campaign analyst, people analyst, pricing analyst, financial analyst, security analyst, online marketing analyst, AI testing. There are many more. Web analyst, data scientist, SQL analyst. So there are many more roles for data analyst or data analytics engineer. There are in future, in coming 5 to 10 years, there will be millions of jobs in data analytics in every business, but on around 40 to 50% in the banking sector. So banking or e-commerce, banking sector or e-commerce sectors are generating millions of data in a single day, right? So let's go for the next slide. So are these the world's best job? Yes. See the salary for the job. So if you compare the remaining jobs role, see the salary of data scientist around 1.5 times more, you know, and in future it will be 2 times more than the other job role. Salary will be in future. See the salary, it's around if you compare from this, and it is, I took it from Glassdoor. It is a authorized website, it's not a fake and all. It's an authorized. So Glassdoor, they are analyzing all the companies. So see the salary structure of the data analyst and data scientist, it's almost 1.5 times. So basic skills required to start your career in data analytics, how to set up the data structure, how to create data visualization. So I already told you that, many people have learned SQL and MySQL. That is okay. Now you need to apply that MySQL and SQL knowledge to create a visualization. So I already told you guys, please go to the ClickSense or Power BI or Tableau and create your free account there and download the software in your uh, desktop or even in your laptop and start working on it, start learning on it, and then try to uh, fix that and try to keep that like you have learned Power BI, Microsoft Excel, you have learned ClickSense, and you have learned Tableau. So these things you keep in your resume, that will impact enormously. So try to apply this SQL knowledge which you have learned in college days in visualization of data. Then knowledge of big data tools like Hadoop, Pig, or some other. So it's it's not required as of now, as if you are freshers. So once you go to the industry, or if you are familiar with these visualization tools, then you can go for Hadoop or big data analytics tools. And then you have a basic knowledge of Python, and basic understandings of machine learning and tools. So machine learning and tools, that will require later stage, but you need to have a basic understanding of Python or basic understanding of programming language, not advanced required, just a basic understanding. And then we have a basic understanding of mathematics is also required. So this is the basic requirement for data analytics, right? So please try to work on this technology, and we'll have a many more opportunity in near future. So we already told you computer science, statistics, and applied maths, so data science. So domain knowledge is important, right? So I already told you that skills. So Python, SQL is very important in that case. Python and SQL, try to work on Python and SQL. And then definitely you have a curiosity to dig deeper into the data and solving a problem by finding a root cause of it. Communication and presentation skills, yes, that also required. So guys, I came to end. Now we have 9 to 10 minutes also. So now, as of now, you can ask any question you may have, right? And then here is the contact details for me. You can follow us here for any types of queries in near futures, or any times if you have any queries regarding data science, job opportunity, data sets and all. So you can follow us on the LinkedIn, Facebook and Instagram. And you can, the people who are new to this webinar, so I request everyone here, please subscribe this channel here, subscribe to this technojob channel. Here we'll get the opportunity in data science and other job opportunity as well, and we'll give you the preparations of all the things, all the things of like related jobs, related your queries related to anything if you have. So we are providing daily basis, so try to subscribe this channel. And also our team has provided you a WhatsApp group link. There will provide you this PPT. So if you want guys this PPT, please try to join that WhatsApp group or join us on Telegram. We'll share the that PPT and all the required materials for data analytics tools, data analytics materials. If you want in your future all the required materials, so please join our WhatsApp group, join our Telegram group. There you can get all the details. Yes, N and D as a junior analyst. Yes, I already told you. You just have a basic understanding of SQL. Python or R is not required as of now, but you need to know the SQL. SQL is very important for junior analyst, or if you want, once you get into the company, so at that time you can, learn day by day like other big data analytics technology or Python or R. But as of now, as a fresher, you require your SQL, or basic understanding of any programming language or visualization tool. Visualization tools I already told you. ClickSense, we have Power BI, Tableau, and other. Right. So, guys, if you have any questions, you have 7 minutes. You can ask to me. I am here for you all. You ask any type of question you may have. And I request in future, if you want any kind of materials or any kind of suggestion, please join our Telegram group and join our WhatsApp group. You'll get there all the details regarding the analytics material and other materials which helps you to get the job. How to find out customer for data analytics? Customer in the sense, do you want to find the job? Yeah, yes. Andy is saying how does SQL help? Yes, SQL will help you once you get, in the visualization tools. You need to, make a model. You need to, code. Suppose your boss has told you like data is in the raw format, but you need to make it, you need to program it for the data. You need to get the data out of from the database. So once you get the data from your database in the visualization tools, there you need to fetch the data. You need to for the particular data, you need to have run the SQL queries to get the data from the database. So in that cases, you need SQL knowledge is important. So somewhat coding will be there in the visualization tools also, but that will be almost similar to SQL. So if you learn SQL, you learn all the things. Yeah, so TechnoJob team, I request please try to create another WhatsApp group, as user is saying WhatsApp group is full. Yeah, so please join the new WhatsApp group, already has been sent in the group. I'm in the chat. Please try to. Yes, we code in the MS Excel also. Try to, search in the YouTube or search MS Excel's analytics, or how does MS Excel helps in data analytics. So we have coding in MS Excel also. I have my own small IT industry. So how to find out customer for data analytics? Yes. See, Suraj Nirmal, if you have own a small IT industry, you can post a job for data analytics on various platforms. They are free, giving opportunity for you. So they are, first of all, you can post a job on various sites which are giving free for you to get the customer. So suppose Internsala also you can post internship for 1 year or maybe for 6 months and get the customer from there. There will be huge number of application you'll get from there. You can access the application and get out of it. So we have only 34 participants left here. So still we have 5 minutes more to ask any type of questions. What does the model mentioned earlier mean? Mentions means, you know, uh, have you learned about the SQL or ER diagram? Do you know about the ER diagram? Suppose we have, you have in the database 5 tables, right? But in 5 tables, you will have to make it with the primary key. You need to fix. Get the data from all the tables with one primary key, right? So in that case, the ER diagram you need to make it that all ER diagram comes under one model. So that is nothing but a data model. From where it's from one model you can fetch the data from every tables. See, MS Excel, yes, MS Excel if you learn, because many business or many companies, they are directly visualizing the data with the help of MS Excel. But many company has database. So if you are, for companies which are fetching the data from the database to the visualization tool, in that cases database is required. But in some company they are directly from the Excels. So different companies are different. So if you learn MS Excel, SQL, and visualization tools, these three will be the uh, basic features, and that will be again good things for you. So I request to Technojob team, please share the feedback link. Technojob team, please share the feedback link immediately. So guys, if you have any questions, still you can ask any questions if you have. See, a data analyst and data scientist, it is just similar. But if you are very much experienced, like 10 years or 15 years, your post will be data scientist. So if you are, nearly 4 to 5 years, you will be as a data analyst. But if you are, most experienced person in an industry, or you are, and you are like very much about big data technology, when you are knowing much technology, then your post will be as a data scientist. Sir, so we design the model and the ER diagram in the MS Excel only. Yes, in the MS Excel also you can design that, but MS Excel is very outdated. We don't have that much advanced facility. So many companies goes with other technology like Tableau, Power BI. Okay, so that is why people are going for ClickSense, Power BI, and other tools for data analytics. Guys, hurry up. Any questions you may have, please ask. Feel free to ask any questions. And I will share the link here for my profile for LinkedIn or Facebook. You can directly contact me here. So we'll get the quick response from here. If you have any questions in near futures, you can get quick response here. You will follow here. I'll give you the link here. And I request TechnoJob team, please share the feedback link. If you have still any questions, you can ask. See, I already given the different job roles for data analytics position in the slide itself. There are 20 plus job roles in the slide. So we'll share the slide, to everyone. You please join the Telegram and WhatsApp group. There we'll share the slide. You know. No. Is SEO is totally different. Yeah, it's SEO is totally different. SEO is not same thing as the data analytics. How we get the jobs as a data analytics in freshers in TCS? Yes, it depends. That's why I already told you. If you have a knowledge of these much things, you'll automatically get. You can request. You know. See, Suryans Misra ji, if I tell you, if you want to get data analyst position as a fresher in TCS, please try to learn this technology. What I told you, MS Excels, again SQL, and then you try to learn the any technology like ClickSense, like other technology. We have Power BI, already told you, Tableau already told you. So there are many data analytics tools or visualization tools. Try to learn. They are providing free. They are providing free for 1 month. So within 1 month you can learn it and then try to mention in your resume, and that you can tell to the again once you get the project. So from there you can get that. So it is easy. Feedback link is already shared in the Telegram group. Guys, still if you have any questions, you may have, you can ask. We have still 38 participants, but I'm not getting much questions. Yes, you can join the link here and give a feedback session there itself. Guys, please, we have given Telegram sessions, and if you want such a session in near future, please tell us in the feedback form or in the feedback there. So please tell us if you want any such informative sessions in near futures. Please tell us. We'll conduct another sessions for you guys for another topics on another topics, whatever you may request. So only questions I am getting from ND. What are other participants? Where are all other participants? I'm not getting any questions from other participants. So he is asking, can we get jobs only for descriptive analytics? No, if you see, these comes under, once you get 10 years or 20 years experience, then we'll go for only descriptive analytics or types of analytics. But as a freshers, you will not get the descriptive analytics only. So Riyaj already shared a feedback link as a Telegram group, so you can join that and give your feedback there. So most of the people have joined with mobile. They can directly click on the Telegram link. the till I ask again, Technojob team, please, uh, try to. Many people doesn't have Telegram app, I think, right? Yes, the best path and all Suman Das will share on the WhatsApp group we already provided there and all. So all those materials, if you required, will share on the WhatsApp. So Akansha has one question, sir. When recruitment will start for data analytics and in TCS? So are you a 2020 batch or 2021 batch, or which I mean MCA or BTech? Are you from BTech or MCA? Akansha, are you from BTech or MCA? And what is your batch? Have you been passed in 2020 or are you in current final year? Okay, 2020 batch MBA IT. Yeah. So for MBA IT, MBA IT, so all final year and candidates, I request, please try to learn this technology which I already mentioned. So try to learn this technology. It is free for 1 month or 40 days, and try to learn that. And then TCS is going to, within a few months they will announce the NQT. From there you can, apply for that, and then try to apply for it, and then once you get selected, you will get the job. So Akansha, you are 2019 batch, BTech batch. So yes, so once the TCS will release, a notification, will get on the Technojob channel as well. So then from there you can apply for it. But before applying, I request you to please go and try to learn this technology and try to learn the things, so that it will be easy for you to get into the TCS. Yes, there will be huge opportunity. Yeah, Sumandas, please try to learn the technology. Once you learn the technology and once you mentioned it in your resume, then you can apply to n number of company. But make the resume very interactive. So guys, please suggest me if you want any sessions on how to make a resume, so then we can conduct resume making sessions as well for you guys, how to make a best resume, best interactive resume, so we can conduct a session on how to make a resume. So try to make a good profile on LinkedIn, try to make a good resume, try to fill with all the skills you may have, and then that will attract the recruiter to recruit you, right? So these things, SQL, Java testing, and C, sir. Okay, so SQL, and you try to get all the SQL and apply it with the different technology we may have. So, uh, so you try to apply the SQL technology and try to revise it. So that is okay. SQL is okay. SQL, Java, enormous opportunity. So the participant who has registered with the MCA department of the college who has organized this webinar, they will get the certificate within 2 days. So guys, you can give us feedback on WhatsApp group also, or we already send a Google form link now. So please try to give your valuable feedback. Guys, I request everyone here, please try to give a feedback here, and which type of session do you want in the near futures. So please try to give feedback on the link given. So we have given direct Google form link for your feedback, so please try to give feedback here, so that we know how can we improve our sessions from the next time. Also, what are the next topic do you want for the session? So please try to give your feedback, it is very important for us. So Riyaz is asking, I have directly attending these sessions through YouTube, sir. So I did not register for this. Will I get the certificates? So that will decide, college management people. So if you registered for it, so they you will give. You will get it. So may we start a junior data scientist as a fresher? Yes, guys, you can start. I was as a freshers only. A year back I joined TCS, and as a freshers I got a data science because I had many experience in the data science. Like I have already experienced with other tools which I already told you. So that helps me to get the job as a fresher. Yes, we'll conduct a session for resume. So according to the feedback, we'll try the number of participants, like how many people are saying for the resume sessions, and how many people are saying for that. Depending upon the number of participants, we'll decide the sessions next week again. So guys, it's very important to all of you. Please try to give a feedback, so that we can improve our sessions from the next, sessions, right? Suraj Nirmal, how to provide a data analytics service for my clients. You want implementing data analytics for your business? So if you want, you need to, you go for free of cost tools, MS Excels. And if you want you advanced, then you have to buy the license from other advanced marketing tools or other advanced, data analytics tools. So hope everyone has filled the feedback form. Please share once again the feedback form, Technology. Please share once again, and we have only 2 minutes left. So we'll close the session within 2 to 3 minutes, guys. And I again request to everyone to please try to join our WhatsApp group, join our Telegram group. If you have any questions in near futures, even I have shared here my contact details directly. So you'll get the instant response in my contact details. You can follow us there and try to join all the, Okay, so guys, we'll close again within 1 minute. I hope everyone has filled that Google form link, feedback form link. So thank you so much, guys, for joining the session. So we are closing now. Okay, so thank you so much. And according to the feedback session, we'll plan for another sessions. If you have a good feedback, then we'll try to plan for another session. In near week, in the next week. So thank you, guys. We are closing the session. Bye bye and take care.